Hello and welcome to today's video. In this guide, you'll learn how to enable the Break Reminder feature inside the Threads app on your Android phone. This helpful tool allows you to take regular breaks while browsing. We'll walk through each step clearly so you don't miss anything. Open the Threads app on your Android phone. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then tap the two horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Account. Tap on it to access your account settings. Inside the Account section, scroll again and tap on Break Reminder. You'll now see a list of available reminder intervals. Choose how often you want to be reminded. Options typically include every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. Tap your preferred interval to activate it. Once selected, the feature is turned on. You'll now receive reminders at the interval you've chosen to take breaks from the app. That's it. You've now successfully enabled break reminders in Threads. Regular breaks help reduce screen fatigue and improve focus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials here.